What's going on, traders? This is Jack with the Trading Tribe. Welcome back to the channel for another trade recap where I'm going to go over my latest win and swing trade on the natural gas futures market, which is one of my favorite markets to swing trade. Tons of videos on the channel as well with other natural gas related trades, but figured this was a really good time to go over this one since the natural gas market is heating up. The market's exploding to the upside, and I was able to grab about $5.5 thousand from the market, or 5.4 after fees. So this is the net profit from the trade itself. Here were my executions as well. So I actually had two different entries with two contracts, and then I scaled out of those contracts as well. If we look here at kind of the full trade itself, right, I longed natural gas for two contracts. And then if we look at the chart, really what happened was on Friday of last week, right before the market closed, we could see natural gas kind of basing, and that's where I ended up scaling in. And then obviously into this big gap up, that is where I scaled out for a profit. If we jump out to ThinkorSwim, we can also kind of look at it from this view. Over here on the left, we can see kind of the long-term 4-hour chart of natural gas. And we can see really every time it's come down to this 20-day moving average, we have had a really nice hold. And that was essentially the idea for the trade. It was basically if we pull back to that 20 and we begin consolidating or holding, similar to these other holds this year, I'm going to take some entries. And that's exactly what I did, right? I started entering down in that consolidation range on Friday of last week after Christmas. And then essentially when the market opened back up into this huge gap up, that is where I ended up exiting the trade for that $5,000. You can see here, this is really like a 2.5 to 3K move per contract. So I bought two contracts. That's how I was able to make a little bit north of $5,000 on the trade. But this is really all I've been doing lately on gas as well. So we've had really good profits from essentially all of these bounces off of the 20, and we're continuing to do that strategy as well. So really good time to practice trading up trends on natural gas, whether it's on your paper trading account, right, or on your live account, right? These uptrends have been really fruitful for natural gas, and this is really how I will do it. I'll essentially trade that next pop, targeting that last high, and you'll just rinse and repeat it until natural gas's trend stops. But for now, right, we're still seeing higher highs and higher lows. So market structure looks really good. If you have any questions too on how I trade these uptrends, feel free to leave those down below in the comment section. Feel free to also like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more content like this. I'm starting to crank out a lot more content about my trades to hopefully help you guys out there. So hopefully this does help. Really appreciate the time today, and thanks everyone.